In this video, I show you how you can add slow motion on your video clip in Shotcut. So I have this video clip and you can go ahead and add a slow motion either on the whole video or part of the clip. So I'll go ahead and add on part of this. So I'll cut this and also this. And it is this part that I want us to add slow motion. So first select it by just tapping on it and then go to properties. So there are three ways you can access properties. One, you can access properties from here, just on top of your timeline. Alternatively, you can as well access properties by just right clicking on the clip that you want to slow. So you can see we have properties here. If you click on it, it will take us to properties. So the other way of accessing properties is using this properties option up here. So if I click on it, we shall again access properties. And as you can see here under properties, we have this video is in the speed of ×1, and to slow it we have to reduce this speed. So to reduce it, you have to convert this into 0, and then maybe we want to halve that speed, then it means it will be 0.5. So I'll change this to 5, and once you're done, click on apply. So when I click on apply, you'll see this part will become much longer, and look at that. So it means it will be much slower. Now let's transition and see. Look at that, we have added slow motion on our video clip. So if you want it even to be much slower, you can convert this to a quarter of that speed by converting this to 0.25, and it will be much slower. So that's how you add slow motion to your videos in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.